Welcome. My name is Kassandra. I'm going to take you through a 15-minute relaxing evening yoga practice. No props are required for this, and this is day 19 of the 30-day evening yoga movement. If you haven't already signed up, you can do so just by clicking the first link down below in the description box or watching the day 0 video. So let's begin by taking a seat. We're going to work on our neck first, and you can just sit in any way that works for you here. Relax your arms. We're not going to need them. As you sit up tall, we're just going to trace little half circles. So you can drop one ear to your shoulder and very slowly move through your range of motion, tucking your chin down and lifting all the way up to the other side. So we're not leaning our head back, we're just doing half circles. So keep going, still breathing deeply, not rounding or slouching through your spine, just isolating your neck. And every class of this 30-day challenge is paired with a different affirmation. And tonight's is one I love so much. And the affirmation is, I am worthy of good things. I am worthy of good things. So you might just repeat this to yourself and notice what it brings up, how it makes you feel. And we'll take one more on each side of these half circles. Relax your jaw completely as you do this. And we'll lift our head all the way back up through to center. Shrug your shoulders down. Let's extend our right leg out to the side, starting with a side body stretch. Left arm reaches all the way up and over. Really lengthen and reach out through your left fingertips. Into our baby wild thing. So as you come up, plant your left hand behind you. Reach your right arm up to the sky. Lift your hips up. Little back bend here. And bring your hips back down. You're going to face over towards your right knee and shin and fold directly over. I am worthy of good things. Try not to push or pull. Don't force anything here. Just relax into the forward fold. Forward folds are so good for the nervous system. Really wonderful to do at the end of the day. They're also symbolic of letting go, of releasing. So you might be releasing the stress and tension from your day. I am worthy of good things. And start to walk your hands up inch by inch. And before we go to the other side, bring your feet together, knees apart in butterfly pose, and grab a hold of your big toes with your 2-piece fingers. Think of pressing your thighs down as you inhale, lift and lengthen, little back bend as you squeeze your shoulder blades. Exhale, round and contract. So cat and cow from this pose. Inhale, open, and exhale, round it in. 2 more like this. Inhale, and exhale. Last one. Coming back to neutral, you might fold all the way forward. 5 breaths here. And you can always readjust a little bit. And let's walk our hands in, uncurl inch by inch. And we'll find that half butterfly on the other side. So keep your right foot in, stretch your left leg out. Side bend first, right arm reaches up and over, roll your right shoulder back. Really reach and stretch through your top arm. And we'll come all the way up, baby wild thing, right hand down, lift your hips, reach your left arm up and back. Nice counter stretch here. Into our fold, hips come down, face towards that left leg and soften down. And you can absolutely bend a little here through your left knee. It doesn't need to be super straight. Big, long exhales to promote relaxation. I am worthy of good things. And let's start to walk it in, lifting up. And we'll do that butterfly pose, but a little bit more like turtle variation. So rather than having your heels really close in towards your seat, you can go at more of a 90-degree angle. And it's pretty hard to hold on to the toes with this one. So you might just hold on to your shins and your calves. Cat and cow again. Inhale, open up. Exhale, round, draw it in. 3 more like this. Inhale, open your heart. Exhale, contract. Last one, inhale. And exhale. Come back to neutral and we'll fold forward again. 5 breaths. Big inhale, even bigger exhale. Activate your arms to uncurl. And we'll meet in down dog. We'll be using that pose to set up for pigeon. So hands shoulder width distance apart, feet are hip width distance apart. You can tuck your toes under and go ahead and lift and stretch it back. Lots of space here. And let's reach our right leg up to the sky, bend your knee, open your hip, and really lean your right leg over to the left so you feel this through your quads. And we'll take that right knee and place it behind the wrist for pigeon pose. Stretch your right leg back behind you and level out your hips, so not leaning on one side more than the other. And we'll take 3 forward folds and back bends here before settling into the pose. So push into your fingertips, inhale, lead with your heart, and then exhale, fold down, bend the elbows. Twice more like this. Inhale and exhale a little deeper. Last one, inhale and fold all the way down. 5 breaths here. And start to come up. We'll meet back in down dog. Just any movements that feel good here to free up that right hip and get the blood flowing again down that leg. Take your time. Reaching it back. Switching sides, left leg up. Bend your knee, open up your hip, and really lean that left thigh over to the right. I want you to feel this in the left thigh and quads. And pigeon pose, left knee behind your wrist. Stretch that right leg back. Square off the pelvis, so not leaning. Evenly distributing your body weight. Come up onto the fingertips. Inhale with your heart. Exhale, fold. 2 more like this. Last one. And melting down all the way. 5 breaths. Take one more big breath in and out. Lift yourself back out. Welcome to down dog. Just final little movements and adjustments here. Stretching it out. Get really long through your arms, long through your spine. Let's bring your knees down to the floor. Come all the way to your belly. Just for a little cobra pose, working on opening through our shoulders. Push into your feet, push into your hands. Lift up and keep your elbows bent and hugging in. Just broaden through your heart, open it up. And settle back down. You're going to push back to sit on your heels and just bring your fingertips back behind you. Keep your elbows slightly bent and you're squeezing your shoulder blades and your elbows together and then puffing your chest up. Should feel really nice in your shoulders, down your arms, maybe in the pectorals as well. One more big breath here. And release. Come to take a seat. Hands at your heart. Anjali Mudra. I am worthy of good things. Feel this affirmation land. Let's close with Om. Inhale to chant. Big breath in. Bowing forward. Namaste. Thank you, everyone. I hope you feel ready for a wonderful night's rest. Please leave me a comment below before you go and remember to use the hashtag #GoodEvening so I know you're part of this 30-day challenge. I'll see you tomorrow night. I would love for you to just take 5 minutes and do this affirmation meditation. Please do subscribe to my channel to support free yoga on the internet. You can do so just by clicking the subscribe button right here. Thank you so much, and I will see you tomorrow.